Hello, viewer. Today you're watching a video about a drum set. Crazy. This drum set, well, okay. Before I share my thoughts, I'm just gonna let you have a listen to it because probably that's the most important thing you're wondering about buying a drum set. The audio bouncing is a little off on that one. Let's see. If you didn't notice there, that was a sneaky little plug. The feature of this thing that I really like. I'm gonna get away to the things I like first. You can change the volume of each thing. I don't know what to call them. Instrument, pedal, whatever. Each drum, each snare, each cymbal, each crash. All things individually. You just hit them. You click the volume button to go to the volume settings. And you hit whichever one you want to adjust. And you can adjust it with the up and down with the plus and minus buttons. It has a little number right here. If you're wondering about why this is here instead of here where it's supposed to go, it's because I'm bad. Okay, I didn't want to start griping this early, but I'm not bad at constructing things. Okay, I am bad at constructing things. I will almost always make some sort of issue, but I construct a lot of things, right? Pretty much whenever there's something that needs to be assembled. And there's a lot of stuff that needs to be assembled because my mom she's for the most part a housewife, but she also has this side hustle of Amazon stuff. And so there's a lot of stuff that needs to be assembled because she gets a lot of stuff. And I assemble anything large. Almost anything large. She does assemble some things. But I still managed to get this on backwards. And I will take some of the blame on that. But I think some of the blame also lies on the instructions. Let me take a look. I don't remember. I assembled it a while ago. Can I take this off, like, right now? I think I might be able to. I think it's got screws in it. Anyway, I'm kind of wandering off topic. Basically, pay close attention to the instructions on this one. It's kind of obtuse. And where did it? I only have one drumstick because I keep all our drumsticks for rock band. So we like to play rock band a lot. Music. But we like to play it roughly, so we break all of the drumsticks, which is on us. Like, that kind of way. I don't know if this is the drumstick that comes with it. I think the drumstick that came with this one was a nice wood one. I'm not certain though. Oh, another cool thing. This is probably my favorite feature. This little kick right here, physical lever that leads to a drum. Digital drum, obviously, but it's got another pedal. I don't know what this one's for. I've only ever seen drums with one pedal, but it does. It makes a sound. Guess you could kick this too. Probably won't work very well. It has spikes in it that you can put on to keep it in place, I suppose, but those just seem more likely to damage the floor. I'm so negative today. Anyway, I have to address the elephant in the room. This does not come with this device, this Sondre sound bass mini amp for electric guitars does not come with this drum set. It's ours. I don't know why we have it, and we don't own an electric guitar. But we do. And let me show you what happens when I unplug it. No longer plugged in. In fact, just so that you don't get confused, like, oh, maybe you set this up. If you plug it in, it expects to be playing. No. If you don't have this plugged into an amplifier or headphones or your computer, it doesn't work. I doubt that okay, supposedly it works with Bluetooth. I don't remember. I tried to set this up forever ago, and I couldn't. It has lots of cool features, different sounds apparently, voices. You can even like grab the cymbals to make them stop ringing, but it doesn't. I wouldn't get this. If you're looking for a drum set for like your kid or an adult, not your kid, I don't know, anyone who wants a drum set, this is not my suggestion. If you're wondering, we do have other videos about other drum sets that play on their own, but this one's just not it because it doesn't come with headphones even, and it's really annoying to me. This is good. This is a good feature. They should bring this to speak. They should have a speaker in the drum set. I'm supposed to be selling this to you, so I'll go over a couple more features. But note my suggestion. So all of this is adjustable. It's quite actually easily adjustable. No, it's not. What am I talking about? It has a tool in the box that lets you open, that lets you tighten and loosen these screws right here. Why didn't you use normal screws? I don't know. But I didn't realize that it had that tool, so I used a wrench, which works actually. So you can adjust it. All of these go forward, back, up, down, and you can rotate the drum heads. And the cymbals can be swiveled around. If you wanted, I wouldn't. This is more so a weird me thing that I would think about. These chords, you could switch them right. You could have this drum here play this cymbal. Which, by the way, the audio... Okay, I'm back to complaining again. The audio floor on the cymbals... Like, I'm hitting it decently right now. Like, I would call this a decent tap. Nothing. Like, I can hear my hand hitting it. And no sound comes out. It's significantly better on the drums. Yeah, like even with the light taps, it works. But the cymbals, their audio floor, really high. I know it has a metronome. Yeah, you can do that. I don't actually play music, so I don't know. I assume that it's a metronome. Like, what else would you want? It's got a tempo button. Let's see what that does. Oh, is that to change? I bet that's to change the BPM of the metronome. Where is this? No, the metronome has its own built-in settings. I don't know what this tempo button is for. No, okay. The metronome, you can adjust the beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And that's what the metronome adjusts. The tempo adjusts the speed of the metronome. So now it's at 111 beats per minute. That seems weird. I'd take it down to 100 because I like nice round even numbers. Or maybe because I am infantile, I'm going to turn it down to 67 beats per minute. There we go. And then you know what? Let's listen to the voices. Oh. Whoa. I'm gonna turn it back so I don't forget what it's on. That's what it is, right? Okay, kits. I think this upshifts the voice of, or downshifts, I assume, the voice of all of them at once. Oh. It sounds so good. I like this one. Okay, personal recommendation. Click kit shifted up to 0.30 and it sounds amazing. I can't help it. I gotta explore more. Let's go up by 5 more. I missed. The sounds of hitting the edges are also digital, by the way. Ooh, a gong? What voice is that? Let's see. Give me back to voice. Oh. 32.6 for the kick. The gong. That's sweet. Okay, this one also has the sound floor issue. Alright, back to kit. I wonder if... Ooh. Gotta have more cowbell. That's alright, I can't help it. I like to roll the drum. I wonder how that works. Yeah, it muffles it. How does it sense that? Okay, you have to apply pressure. So it's... Yeah, it's got this little pad right here on the front. I don't know if you can see my fingers on it. But if you press down on that with this No, it's not significant low force. If you press down on that, it mutes or muffles like an actual cymbal. I'll be done soon. I love this. What even is that? A bird? What? I want to play a song with a bird in it. Stay still. That's so weird. Race car. Okay, wait. Is that race car coming because... I have no idea. Where's it? Okay. I should probably wrap up because there's people coming in and they're gonna mess up the recording. And also my phone's about to die. Basically, to summarize, it has a few issues. Sounds are really fun. Which actually, okay, that kind of makes it up to it for me. Okay, so I'm kind of torn here. Because there's a part of me that's like, I hate that it doesn't come with all the parts it needs. And obviously that's a big issue. But you can just connect it to your computer. And that kind of makes up for it in a lot of ways. It comes with the cord you need to connect it to your computer. So assuming that your computer has speakers, it's not too bad of an issue. And if through your computer, even if this thing's Bluetooth is hard to set up, whatever, you probably know how to connect Bluetooth to your computer. It's more steps than I would like. But ultimately, I think it's a fine product. And it goes boing.